So another feature with the Mini 4 Pro, if you didn't know, you probably did know, but that is your light, is your LED light. Now that comes on at night time. It can also come on if you've got the drone up in the air during the daytime. I'll just sort of, oh, that's the lights. You can put that on, and that's another way of tracking your drone in the sky because it's pretty bright. But anyway, I've come out this evening, the sun's gone down, starting to get dark. I don't want it to get too dark, you won't be able to see me. But if you want to set up those LED lights, I'll just show you how. Just gonna put the drone down one moment. So to check if the LED, oh God, I have a problem saying that. You know what I'm on about the lights on that drone. So the top right hand corner with the dots, you stay in safety, you scroll down, it's right down near the bottom, you've got auxiliary LED. Now at the moment it's on auto, so it'd be interesting to see if that works. So if the drone takes off, officially that light should come on. So let's have a look. Take off.
Take off. Home
Right.
point updated.
And it did. Hopefully you caught that. I'm just going to send up the drone a little bit more. Obviously the higher you go, the more spread out that goes. Now I'm going to walk underneath that light. I can put the gimbal down, so right on top of my head, and we're going to send that up. Okay, so we're going to bring that drone down. So the lights come back on, which is interesting. Okay, so let's bring that down a bit more. Right, I'm just going to try something. I'm going to try the ActiveTrack on me and just see if that works with the light on. Now, obviously with low light, it's probably not going to work very well. Let's give it a go. Okay, well, it's saying it might do. I was just going to put on the video. Okay, we'll do it again. We'll do go. Right, light in current environment too dark, so sounds like it won't do it. No. So I mean that's fair enough. It did warn you that wouldn't work. But what I could do, if I get underneath that drone, let's take it up a little bit more. Okay, so if I walk slowly. Maybe not. Okay, what I'm going to try and do now is see if I can light up any of the building there. The other thing is, I'm going to tell you straight away, is that the avoidance is being shut off as well, obviously because of low light. So something else to be wary of. Right, I'm going to stop the video a moment. I'm going to go back into the three dots, go back down to where, and see if we can turn it on. So the light is on now. Let's see if I can capture that. Drone down a bit. The moon's coming out now as well. Okay. I'm just wondering if it's on that building. Maybe not. Looks like I might have to buy the Pocket 3 now for better lighting conditions. It's definitely getting darker now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do return to home and see how this copes, because it's obviously been dark. Let's bring that back on me.
Landing.
Okay, so it's landed now. Now obviously I've got the light on, so that light will stay on all the time. It won't, oh, I take it won't turn off. It'd be interesting to see. Okay, make sure landing area is safe. Okay, so landing. Right, so the light has gone off now. So I'm just going to take it off a moment. I'm just going to see what happens again.
Take off.
So the light's there.
Home point updated.
Okay. And we're just... Okay, I'm just going to bring it back a little bit. Bring it up. I want to see if I can get underneath that. So what you do, you go back into the three dots and we just put it on auto. So what it will stay off now. It's obviously in the daytime that would turn off, but that just gives you a quick idea of what you can do with it. And I think you could get a bit more creative and probably do, if you set your camera up, you could probably do some night photography with the lights. But anyway, it's just a quick video. It's getting a bit dark now. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's just a bit of fun really. It's getting too dark now to even you see me on the camera now. But anyway, as always, enjoy your flying and I'll catch you in another video very soon. Hopefully not so dark.